Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. In this video I'll show you how to install and format SD card. In the beginning, let's prepare your SD card that has at least a gigabyte of memory. Then insert it to SD card slot. Push it until it clicks. As you can see, now the icon, the LED light is red. So you have to press and hold this microphone button for at least 8 seconds. And now these two icons are green. It means that the SD card has been formatted. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.